welcome back to the channel, the Parchment Fam. So as you can see, currently I upload like some videos on a project that I'm currently working on right now. Today is day 3. So first off, let me welcome you to the channel. If it's your first time visiting, just go ahead, just don't think about it, just go ahead, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I have new videos posted on the channel. Alright, and also for our regular viewers, thank you for returning to the channel. Thank you for your support and your loyalty to our channel. Alright, we do appreciate it. Today, as I said, mentioned before, I've been uploading like a few parts. I'm doing it in parts. So currently I'm at part 3, which is this one, which is a project I'm currently working on right now. I'm just sharing with you what I do on a daily basis. Okay, so currently now this morning I'm gonna have to head to the Home Depot first before I get to the location where I'm gonna work, because I do need some plaster. So I'm just gonna run in Home Depot real quick, grab some plaster, and then I'm gonna head to the work site. I'm driving right now, that's why I'm not paying attention to you, but yeah, that's the reason. But I'm on my way to Home Depot right now, so I'm gonna get back to you guys. All right, stay tuned. Yeah, everybody, so right now with the Home Depot, so I grab what I need a 50 amp outlet, so I grab one right about now, and also we need the cover feet. So I need a cover with the 50 amp outlet, so cover them up on the top of it. So I think it would have been this one, stainless steel plate. So yeah, this one will work. We have these. We have the outlet and we have the cover feet. So we are putting back the 50 amp outlet when we're done. And also we need plaster, so I'm gonna grab some plaster now. Yeah people, so see plaster here, so this is the 45, we have 20, 45 and 90. So the one we I get is in 90 minutes. So we need one bag of 90 minutes plaster. That one. Alright, so we have the plaster. Next thing we need is one of the mixer thing, because if you mix it with the potting knife take too much time. So let's see if we grab one of that. Alright, so this is the mixer they have. We have this one right here. This one is $9. Okay, so this is how we put on a drill, so we can mix with things faster, because potting knife take a long time to make it. Alright, so this is how I mix up people. Finally find it. See there? So I use that to mix with plaster. Here people, so we get the plaster, we get a bucket, the mixer and the plug, 50 amp plug and the cover. So now we're gonna head on to the work site. Alright, so stay tuned. Yeah everybody, so welcome back to day 3. Basically we are kicking it off this morning with this piece right here. So this piece of wall right here, so yeah, cover this off first, and then we move on to the rest of the house. Alright, so I'm gonna cover this off first. So let me go now look on the kitchen where we do yesterday, the plaster from day 2. So let's go take a look at that. Here people, so this is from day 2. As you can see, wall come together nicely. Just need to sand down, put on some more plaster and cover up the rough edges, and then you know what time it is already, paint it. So that is the wall, as you can see. Even this part that was really rough and looked bad before we fix it, look at it now, people, coming together nice. I'm gonna put the before and after pictures when I'm posting the last part of this video, so you can really see where we're coming from with this. Alright, so I'm gonna also plaster the ceiling today. I pretty much strip the ceiling, the bad parts that we're stripping off, I've peel all that off, and we're gonna plaster it off today. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is kick off right here. So let me get my tools together and then we're gonna start that off. Alright, let's go.
fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers?
So that's the first set of plaster on. So what I do now, we make that dry. Probably not gonna dry for today, so we have to give it some time to dry and come polish it off with some more, smooth it down properly. As you can see, look really nice right now so far, no? People, so see there, that patch out, touch up a little part there. See a roach up on the wall, let's watch it. Place did in a mess. Yeah, everybody, so hit that video today. Today is day 3. So finish plaster now. You know, we come back Monday. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I'm not come tomorrow, I relax tomorrow. Monday when I come now, we just be sand down and start paint. So finish plaster the walls. I know I never show much footage today. Basically like the other part of the house much, but go around and plaster some bad spots and I wait for them dry and come back and plaster them. Sand them Monday and paint, you know. So yeah, I go and look around and some of my spot them I touch up on things. So stay tuned. Yeah, so see, like these wet spots. Yeah, me touch up all them spots there with have some edges and cover the tape properly. Cause you know you can't cover it one time when the plaster wet, else you just keep on messing it up. So it dry and everything looks smooth and nice even here, so which was in bad shape. Fix up all of them, me and score them smooth now and then even sand it. So when I sand this down now and paint it, it'll look really nice. So see there, everything plastered out, all some bad spots here, so touch out and everything them smooth back now. So I just paint them now, sand them now and paint them. Even the ceiling, take them plaster out, you see bad spot them in the ceiling, look how them smooth and flat and nice now. Even on the wall too, and bad spot they did there, so we plaster that out too. So get a few more things done today and see part here, so a bad part. Suppose you can look and remember where here so they look like before. So put up the drywall and plaster it out, so time to sand and paint that now. That really smooth and nice. See the ceiling there will patch out in the living room after. Big spot there over the window, the wall. Even here, so all the bad spot here, smooth it off with the plaster, go all the way up. Patch out there, so right there, so plaster, you see that smooth. Even the bad spot there, a big hole, you did it, plaster that out, look nice again. This piece of wall here, so the choppy and look mess up, so I plaster that out too. Here, so plaster this out, look nice and clean, just ready for sand. So all of them they look smooth and thing, and then I sand it. So when them sand a different story, it all look really nice, people. So this piece patch out, tape out and plaster, ready for sand and paint. Right here, some plaster that out too. Plaster some bad part this out too. So ready for sand and paint now. Even this door here, me take out the molding out of it. So we have replaced all the molding here, so caulk up and sand down everything and paint them, you know. Yeah, man. So yeah, do all of that Monday. Well, we know we're not going to finish that Monday, but we have started the sanding and the priming. So we are priming sand, see if we can sand and prime on Monday. Alright. So back to the kitchen again. Alright, so I guess that's it for the day. Alright, we pack up the tool them now because we can't do nothing else because the plaster don't dry properly. So we have to wait till it dry properly before we can do anything else. And we have to start priming on Monday. Yeah, people, so just showing around on some what I do today. I never get to see most of what I do. But yeah, I got enough the vlog right here, so sit down on my ladder here. Again, so I'm gonna clean up now, pack up my tool them in the truck and head off, you know. So thank you for tuning in today, watching this video. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified when we have uploads on the channel. And if you're a regular viewer, thank you for your support, thank you for tuning in, and we do appreciate it. Alright, so It's almost 4 o'clock now, so I'm gonna go pack up and head out. Alright? Peace.